Hello all beloved students, welcome back. So this is the second session, and now teacher believes that you guys have done with your breakfast already and you feel fresh too. Okay, good. Everyone, for the second session, who can tell me what subject do we learn for this section? So the subject that we are going to learn for this second session is that Write and Write book 2, right? This is according to our schedule. Okay, good. So today we are going to learn about new lesson, right? New unit in Write and Write book 2, unit 4, Nouns and Pronouns. Everyone, what did you know about nouns? And what did you know about pronouns? So in the previous lesson, previous unit, we have learned already about some types of noun, right? About the meaning of noun and some types of noun like plural noun, singular noun, and count noun, and count nouns also. Okay, good. Okay, everyone. So about pronouns. So pronouns also have many types like object pronouns, subject pronouns, reflexive, possessive pronouns also. Okay, good. So today teacher will tell you about two types of pronouns. So like object and subject pronouns. Okay, good. So let me get started all together with this lesson. Okay, everyone. So we are in part 1 right now, and if you're not sure where the topic is, you can open your book to page 38. Then you will see part 1, subject and object pronouns. So subject and object pronouns. Everyone who can tell me about the subject and object pronouns in English. So you have over here. So subject pronouns like he, she, it, you, we, they, and I also is all subject pronoun. Okay. And how about object pronouns? So object pronouns like him, her, it, you, us, them, me. These are object pronouns, right? Good, everyone. So nouns are the names of people, places, or things, and pronouns can replace them. I mean, we use pronoun to replace nouns in the sentences. Okay, you will see an example of one. Okay, so pronouns change their form according to their function. So if pronouns function as a subject, okay, it's a function as a subject, so it should be used he, she, it, you, we, they, and I, right? And if it functions as an object, so it will be used him, her, it, you, us, them, and me, right, in the sentences. You understand with this? Okay, good. So let's see the example to make sure that we understand with these points, right? Objects and subject pronouns. Okay, everyone. So let's see this. Teacher underline this is the subject, and okay, and also it's a noun, right? Why we say this is noun? Because this is a name, Mr. Harvey. So Mr. Harvey is the name, right? So this is noun. Okay, Mr. Harvey is our neighbor. He. So Mr. Harvey is a man, right? It's a man. So we replace Mr. Harvey. We not write Mr. Harvey anymore in the second sentence. We replace noun. Replace Mr. Harvey to he. He is a nice person. Who is he? Mr. Harvey. We can also write Mr. Harvard. Okay, we can also write Mr. Harvard over here. But we don't, okay? But we don't, because why? Because we can use, okay? We can use pronouns instead of this. And the pronouns over here function as a subject. Now you got with this? We use pronouns to replace nouns, and pronouns change. No, pronoun can change, right, its form according to its function. So it functions over here as a subject. So as a subject we use he. Understand with this? Let's move to the second sentence. I like Mr. Harvey. Sue likes him too. Sue likes him too. Okay, so look at this. What I have underlined over here. Mr. Harvey. Over here is, who can tell me is subject or object? So this is subject, right? This is verb. This is object. So Mr. Harvey over here is an object. Okay? And Sue likes him too. So him over here is an object. Because of why? This is subject, this is verb, this is object. So we want to talk about Mr. Harvey the same. But we don't use Mr. Harvey over here. We can replace, okay? We can replace pronouns. So pronouns here is function as, you see Mr. Harvey is, its functions as, okay, as an object. So as an object, so we replace by him. You got this? Okay, you do, right? Good. So now let's see number 3. Okay, Mr. John is a nice person. My father likes to talk with him or with he. Everyone. Let's find. So it function over here. It function here is a subject or object. Over here. So my father is subject already and likes the verb to talk with him. Right? Sure. Because the function over here is an object, so that's why we use him to replace. To replace what? Like to talk with him. Who is him over here? Mr. John, right? My father likes to talk with John, Mr. John. We can say like this, but we don't because we can use pronouns to replace, okay, to replace noun. Now you got this, everyone? Okay, let's move to number 4 all together. Okay, number 4. My mother is very busy. Okay, my mother is very busy. Mr. Harvey is helping my mother, right? Helping my mother. My mother is very busy. Mr. Harvey is helping my mother. But we don't write my mother anymore. We can replace by using pronouns. So which pronouns should we use? Who can tell me? Okay, so let's see this. This is an object, right? Object or subject? Object. Okay, so this is object, so we use object. So my mother, should we use him, her, it, you, us, them, or me, everyone? So my mother is a girl, right? It's a girl. So it's a girl, we use her, right? Good. Her. That's all. You understand, everyone? Okay, so teacher believe you do. And okay, so before teacher finish this video, the teacher sum up what we have learned today. Okay, so today we learned about new lesson, new unit, nouns and nouns and pronouns. So we are in part 1 right now, subject and object pronouns. So you know already over here, so this is subject pronoun. So subject pronouns like he, she, it, you, we, they, and I. And object pronouns him, her, it, you, us, them, and me. Okay, good. So let us see what are nouns. What are nouns? Okay, nouns are the names of people, places, and things, and pronouns can replace them. So we use pronoun to replace noun in a sentence. And pronouns change their form according to their function. Okay, you have to know about the function of noun in a sentence. Okay, if it is subject, you have to use subject pronoun to replace it. And if this, okay, good. I won. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's teacher finish this video. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye.